In the skeleton realm, there's a competition to see who can open the most tabs and donate the most money to charity without spending a single cent. How are they doing this? It's through today's sponsor, Tab for a Cause. With their browser attachment, every new tab open leads to revenue directly donated to charity. Tab for a Cause is fully transparent, so you can see exactly how the money is spent, plus all their code is open source. The skeletons have chosen Action Against Hunger, a charity working to prevent and treat severe malnutrition around the world. So why not join them and do some good? It's completely free, and all you have to do is click on the link below. And thanks again to Tab for a Cause for sponsoring this video. Okay, ad time over, let's start. In several ways, Elden Ring player Let Me Solo Her is the embodiment of a decade of Soulsborne memes. He represents the enduring legacy of a massive franchise, culminating in a nude man running around with two huge katanas, wearing nothing but a cracked pot on his head and soloing what is one of the game's hardest bosses. Acknowledgement of his legend seems to have begun with a Reddit post by user Great Artorius on the 11th of April this year. Great Artorius would go on to thank Let Me Solo Her, stating that they used the multiplayer feature for the first time with this difficult boss, and was impressed by the speed and agility displayed by the incredible man wearing nothing but a pot. As other gamers would go on to acknowledge Let Me Solo Her, his legend only grew in size by leaps and bounds every single day. Pretty soon, thousands of references, fan art, videos, and pop culture bits have been created in order to spread the good word of Let Me Solo Her, ensuring he's become more than just a player, he's become a true immortal god. Then, finally, a YouTube user by the name of Kleinsuboy would upload a video claiming to be the aforementioned icon, showing his process when it came to helping others. By blending dark fantasy with a goofy sense of humor, we've come across the perfect hero to enjoy a humongous reception when it comes to meme culture, in tandem with the fact that it feels sort of like it fits within the lore of Elden Ring. It's gone to the point where people have modded the game so you can summon Let Me Solo Her as a sidekick, which is incredible. It's clear this player has left a strong lasting impression on millions of people worldwide, as Elden Ring only continues to grow in popularity and accolades. As a result, it's absolutely worth discussing this conjuration of a legend further, considering the fact that Let Me Solo Her has become something of an icon. In that sense, he joins the long list of other icons that make From Software's games so special and captivating. They have the distinct ability to procure extremely strong communities, so intense are the experiences generated from gameplay. That being said, it's gotten to the point where many people recognize the player tag as a household name, and as such it's highly likely there are some perhaps less skilled copycat players out there. Essentially, the fact that Let Me Solo Her has made an intensely strong impression on the world is perfectly clear, with videos of his exploits racking up millions of views as well as incredible fan art and meme culture pushing Elden Ring into stratospheric popularity. What meme would you guys like me to give a lesson in next? Let me know in the comments below.
And remember, like and subscribe! Or else.